Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. If you are looking to beat hair loss, there's fantastic homemade hair oil. It has a little garlicky smell, but you won't mind the smell, when you see how fast it can reduce hair loss, and regrow hair in the bald areas. And that effective homemade oil is garlic hair oil. So, today in this video, we are going to share with you how to make garlic oil for hair growth. For those of you who like no waiting and quick returns, garlic hair oil is for you. It gets ready in minutes, and you will get the result in 7 days. To make garlic oil, you need garlic for sure and coconut oil. I like using coconut oil because it's a stable oil, especially when you heat it. Plus coconut oil itself is very nourishing for hair. But feel free to try mustard or sesame oil. Let's make. You will need 4 cloves of garlic medium size, about 10 grams. 1/4 cup coconut oil, about 50 grams. Making. Number 1. Garlic oil is pretty simple to make. First, cut the garlic into 2 to 3 pieces. I do it lengthwise, but you can do it crosswise as well. Number 2. Next, place the chopped garlic and coconut oil in a small pan. And heat on a low flame. Don't get tempted to increase the flame or you might burn the garlic. Number 3. In a couple of minutes, garlic will start to sizzle and give out a nice garlicky aroma. Use a spoon to swirl the garlic around in the oil. Number 4. Continue heating until the garlic turns light brown, then switch off the flame. It will take 5 minutes or so, depending on how thick the bottom of your pot is. Number 5. Let the oil cool down, strain, and apply. How to use. Massage the garlic oil into your scalp and hair, and let it soak and work its magic for an hour. Then wash. Either with an SLS-free shampoo, or with a homemade shampoo. After garlic hair oil remedy, the hair fall will reduce drastically, and your hair will appear thicker, softer, and shinier. And there's no trace of garlic smell left. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.